Well, it's time. Get this thing. Figure I start here because this is where I have to push the fence to the post the most. And if I start down there, it might only just get tighter, and I might not be able to get it here. So I have to start here to get to there. Kind of sort this out. Divide this in half a little bit. Do this up with a hurt shoulder. Now on the clips, we ain't got no fancy thing like I'm going to put on the screen right now. What I got is, look at all them freaking honey locust thorns. Man, them are freaking nasty. Burns good. Nasty tree. Anyway, I gotta get this pushed up to there. And I'll do one and I'll show you one. Right there. Chainsaw tool. Just give this side a crimp with the fence pliers. And what I like to do is bring this up like such, and then crimp this way. Zoom, zoom. Like such. Crimp. Bring it side up, and then crimp it this way. So we got about, I don't know, about 10 or so to do. 6 strands, 60 clips, something like that. That one there I was messing with, it's a little tight. Probably could have went a half crank less on that come along, but beans are looking real nice. Anywho, this is, I tend to make all my own tools. do the ones I can. Not do them over here. Probably not. Hope so. Oh. Let me cut this off when I'm done. Remind me, damn it. Ooh. End it again. Now I need to move this up a wire. Yeah, get that one. So we all Indiana. I'm gonna back that off. Come right down this next one. We'll have to move it up on that tree post. That's the final straw. Now all the groundwork is laid for the rest of this fence, because all this is 4-wire. The other side of that post up to where I got these posts from is all 4-wire. So all I have to do is I'm going to go back and put 2 more, like in between the bottom 2, in between that one and that one, and that's fine with me. But all the groundwork is laid, so I mean, it's just, I don't know, 400-yard walk that way with everything I need by the time I run it out, get it untangled, walk back, get it untangled off stuff, stretch her back out, make sure it's still untangled, not, you know what I mean. It's a long process on this stretch here, because you go around, I think 2 trees here, at least that second walnut one that V's out up there. I want to trim limbs off of. But yeah, I hope everyone learned something, or might want to put a fence together. Might have to put a fence together someday. But well, let's drive up there and check the scene. Play a banjo on that thing. Very nice, very nice. Let's go ahead and close the gate for after effect. See where we line up.